Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Elementor plugin enable safe mode error in WordPress. If you've encountered this frustrating issue where Elementor keeps prompting you to enable safe mode, don't worry. This usually happens due to plugin conflicts or theme compatibility issues, and we can resolve it with a few straightforward steps. Let's get started. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard area where all your site management tools are located. This is where we'll begin troubleshooting the Elementor safe mode issue. Now navigate to plugins, then click on installed plugins in the left sidebar. This will show you a complete list of all the plugins currently active on your website. The key here is that we need to identify if another plugin is causing a conflict with Elementor, which is often the root cause of this safe mode error. Next, you'll want to deactivate all plugins except Elementor. To do this efficiently, click the checkbox beside plugin at the very top of the list. This will select all your plugins at once. Then from the Bulk Actions drop-down menu at the top, choose Deactivate and click Apply. This temporarily disables all your plugins except Elementor itself, allowing us to test if a plugin conflict was causing the issue. Give this a moment to process, as WordPress needs to deactivate each plugin individually. After deactivating the plugins, check if the safe mode error still appears when you try to use Elementor. If the error is gone, you've confirmed it was a plugin conflict. You can then reactivate your plugins one by one to identify the specific culprit. However, if the error persists, we'll need to look at your theme. If you're still experiencing the issue, go back to your dashboard and click on Updates in the left corner. Scroll down until you see the Theme section. Look for 2020-4 in the list of available themes. If you see an update available for it, check the box next to it and click Update Themes. The same process applies if you're using 2020-5. Theme compatibility can sometimes trigger Elementor safe mode, so keeping your theme updated is crucial for smooth operation. Wait for the update to complete before moving forward. Now that we've addressed potential plugin and theme conflicts, let's head directly into Elementor's settings. Navigate to Elementor, then click on Tools in the left sidebar. This will open Elementor's Tools dashboard, where various troubleshooting options are available. Under the General tab, click on the Safe Mode tab. Here you'll see whether safe mode is currently active. If it shows as enabled, click Disable Safe Mode, then click Save Changes to apply this setting. This action tells Elementor to exit safe mode and return to normal operation with all your design features fully functional. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the Elementor plugin enable safe mode error by systematically addressing plugin conflicts, updating your theme, and adjusting Elementor's safe mode settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.